Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project Cloud Kitchen. I am creating this video Cloud Kitchen. This project Cloud Kitchen I have developed in Python and Django. So I got many of the requests from the many of the students. They need some project which has a dual type of UI, means for admin there is a different UI or for user there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different type of UI and both are bootstrap theme, and also I am using latest version of Python, that is Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using this project. So this is a front page of the project Cloud Kitchen. You can see our project title is Cloud Kitchen. I have developed this project in Python, Django and the MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects. You can see inside the project like this. You can see also you can see there is a slider. Here you can see there is a slider running on the home page, and this is coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here categories which are coming from the database. So this is a home page. You can see this is on bootstrap theme. This is a about us page. You can see this is about us page. This is a nothing dynamic in this page. This is a static page. Okay, now this is a products page. You can see all the Cloud Kitchen food menu. You can see all the Cloud Kitchens menu which are coming from the database. This is totally static, sorry, this is totally dynamic page, nothing static in this page. Same for the category. Here you can see number of 8 categories of the food menu. You can add the number of categories from the database. This is also a dynamic page. If you want to view products in now North Indian food, you can see aloo methi in the North Indian category. So, this is a user registration page. Here user can register. Without registration you can't log in this project. This is a login and this is a contact us page. This is a totally static page. Here you can see we have integrated a small map here. So now let's start the order some food from the Cloud Kitchen. Like click on meal, click on view details. So there is a restrictions. Without login you can't order any food from the Cloud Kitchen. So you must have the user account on this portal for ordering or buying any food menu. So without account you can't buy or order any product. So the user ID is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. You can see you log in here and this is a customer dashboard. You can see important links like a home page, all products, categories, orders, order ID, like order status, total orders, confirmed orders, transit order, delivered order. You can see all the things from this dashboard. First we are going products page. Now we want to order some meal. Click on the view details. You can see your details. You can see the details of the food which you ordered from the which you will order from the Cloud Kitchen. If you want to buy 2 meal, you can click on the quantity and click on the add to cart. You can see the or you can see your item has 2 items and amounts gets calculating automatically. Now click on the proceed to checkout. This is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, nothing dynamic in this page, sorry, nothing real in this page. You can add any card number like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number of card like a Visa or Master, anything you can enter from here. Expiry date 12 and the CVV 1 2 3. Now click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done and this is a order summary. You can see the your order details like a Mansa Singh confirmed order, and this is a contact number, this is a date, and this is a we ordered 17 September 2025 and the order ID is 15. You can see your payment summary from this page. Now this is a order summary. If you want to see your order details, you can check from the my order section. This is your my orders page. You can see all the orders from this page. If you want to see the details of order ID is 12, now click on the I icon. You can see your order details from this page. Okay. This is a my account section. You can update his account or her account from this page, and this is a change password. Customer can change or update his password from this. So this is all about the front end customer login. This is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option is showing like a my administration. Logout option is also showing and dashboard option is showing also. So if I log out, you can see the upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is login and accordingly so that upper menu has displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, means customer login, what we have developed inside the project of Cloud Kitchen. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel you need to open first the panel of admin. So you need to log in first, right? And this is a admin and the password is test. Now click on the sign in. Without login you can't access the internal page. So this is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit, total products, total customers. You can see everything from here. This is a dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing because you can minimize and maximize like this. If you refresh the like this, quick menu, minimize, and you want to show the, if you want to see the quick menu, if you click on the plus sign, you can see your the list here. So this is a quick menu. From here you can go on the page. You can see this is a menu. If you click here, menu will be hide. This is a view of the page like this. Like this. So first click on the product management, add products page. You can see all of the products, all of the food what we have added, and the you can see here product report, and this is a add products page. You can add new food menu from here, from this page, and Now click on the product report. You can see all the products which we have added from the database or a add products page. You can see all the food menu. You can easily edit and delete from here. If you want to edit, you can click on the edit. You can see the food menu has been visible in the edit format, and you can also export the data as well as CSV as well as PDF as well as print. You can also print. You can do disable or enable the columns from it. If you do not want to see type like this, click on the type. You can see type is not coming here, but if you want to click on the type again, you can see the type is visible. So this is the power of the table. Same for the category management. Now click on the add category. You can you can add number of category of the food menu from this page, and you can also see all the category. Now click on the category report. You can see all the category, food category. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can also the details and descriptions of the food category. You can see all the food category which we have added from the database or the add category page. This is order report page. You can see all the order from this page. If you want to click on edit order, you can see your edit. If you want to update your order status like delivered, click on order. You can see your order has been cancelled successfully. You can also export the data as well as CSV as well as Excel, or same you can disable or enable column visibility. Now click on the customer report. You can see all the customer report from this page, all user report, and easily edit and delete from here. And this is a change password. Here admin can update his password, and this is the logout. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view of the managing this whole project Cloud Kitchen. So this is all features we have developed inside the project Cloud Kitchen. If you need any type of enhancement, any type of features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.